I look like a cute Dora or Edna. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you're new here, then my name's Ebony Pina. If you're not new here, then welcome back. I know I've been MIA for a few weeks, not posting. Life happened. I got, caught up in school and in sports and in my job and in church, and life just got busy, and I felt bad because I wasn't pushing out content like I said I would every week. I usually do post content every week, but anyways, I'm just doing a quick little apology if you guys are waiting for me to post, but if not, then okay. So to get started with this week's video, what I'm gonna be doing today, if you guys saw my past video where I cut my own hair and then I just wanted it shorter and actually went to someone to get it cut, and if you guys saw how, I didn't like it. I look like an egg. I look like an egg. I just want my hair to grow back now. I'm gonna be doing a part 2 today of that video, and the reason why it's a part 2 because I'm gonna be getting my hair cut again. So it's already short. Well, actually, so not all of it is in the front. It's weird because it goes like that, and because it has, I just don't like it. I don't like it. It already grew out, and it looks like, I hope you guys can tell. I know the seats in the back are black, and my hair is kind of dark, so kind of like you can't really tell. But hold on. Okay, there. I think you guys can tell now. So it's like it goes like that, and I think it looks just weird. I don't want it like that. So right here, I'll post pictures. This is what I want my hair to look like. I want it right here. I want to get rid of my layers. Like, my layers they're just not okay. I don't like my layers. So I have an appointment at 2 o'clock in 2 cities away, and it's 1:37. So okay, we're gonna go. So
waiting for connection. Bluetooth connection success.
Okay. Yeah, just make sure I don't run anyone over for like the 10th time in my life. I'm kidding. The road is really loud. Hold on. I'm like, chill. So on my Instagram, I posted a story where I was like, hey guys, you guys know any good hairstylists in my area or like cities nearby? So people responded, tagging their Instagram of the hairstylist people. They also send me like the address. And so I checked them out. I checked out, the reviews, if there were any pictures of like them having done the hairstyle that I want to get, like short hair. I checked them out, and there were a few that I liked, but this one, I don't know, like it kind of stood out to me, and I was like, okay, I think he's pretty cool. I made an appointment, and I'm gonna go with him right now at 2, and I'm gonna get my hair cut short. And I'm really excited because I saw on his Instagram that, he's cut short hair before, and, it looked pretty good. It looked, like how I would want it. And so I sent him a message. I was like, hey, I wanted to show him what I wanted, and I wanted to make sure, and I wanted to hear him say, yes, I can do that for you. Yes, you will look amazing after I'm done cutting your hair. Like, that's what I wanted to hear. So I sent him the pictures I'm showing you guys right here. I sent him those, and he was like, and I also showed him how my hair looks right now, which is, not the best thing ever. And he was like, yes, you're gonna look great. And then he said something about thinning, and I was like, yes, that sounds like something I would need because I have extremely thick hair. And I was like, you sound like what you're doing. So I'm like, I'm gonna make an appointment with you, and I'm gonna trust that you're gonna leave my hair looking amazing afterwards. And if not, then oh my gosh, if not, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna cry again? I don't know. Okay, hey guys, I just got here. It is 2:12, basically the time the thing said I was gonna get here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just go in, say hi, sorry I'm late. And then I'll see maybe if I can record, just so this video isn't so short. Maybe I can record a little bit of him cutting my hair, but obviously I should get his permission because some people don't want to be on video.
The lotion. 2 of those. The spray. How do you spray? 3 of those. Awesome. If you need anything, like if you need to boost it up or anything like that, you let me know.
Okay.
So yeah, so talk to me about your hair. So you want to get rid of the
Yeah,
layers.
I don't want layers. I just want my hair to grow back one length.
Alright. What did you do to style your hair today?
Nothing.
Nothing? This
my
is wash and
natural.
go?
This is my
Alright.
natural hair. Yeah. That's my style.
That's just
That was what I did.
Did it back.
I just put a little clip.
Alright. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go look at pictures and
Okay.
try to see visually what you're hoping for,
Okay.
and see if I can deliver what you're looking for.
Okay.
And make sure that I'm not thinking my version of the door is a little bit different than your version of the door.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go ahead and play around with that, okay?
Okay. I'm scared.
Your laugh says it all. Love it. So it's gonna lay in the back. It's gonna lay right around here, okay? You're okay with that?
I think.
Alright. Ready? Okay, so that's
I like it.
that's the look before flat ironing, and then so this is before. So see, so it has that little bit of a bevel that we call it versus hanging straight down. Yeah, I definitely like that. Okay. So this is before the flat iron. I'm gonna hold that for you. Unless you still want to look at yourself.
No.
Yeah. Sometimes.
Wow. Big shout out, guys.
There you go, you're all set.
I really like it. Oh my gosh.
I didn't think you were, honestly, I didn't think we were gonna go this short.
Really?
Yeah, I was thinking like keeping you longer, but I'm glad we did. I'm glad we went this short. It flatters you a lot.
Ooh, this is good lighting right here. I like it a
It
lot.
looks really good on you. Just gonna get this out of your way.
And if I put it in the middle?
It's a really, really flattering length on you. It looks really, really good.
Ooh, the middle looks super good too.
Yeah, personally, I would have probably left a little bit more length in the very front. But that's, you know, the layers were already cut, so.
Yeah.
But you'll see.
But it looks cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Even though I had short hair, I lost a ton. I know it's disgusting, but that's my hair.
Hi, how's it going? Nice to meet you guys.
Luis, he cut my hair today, and I really liked how it turned out. He's located in Santa Cruz. If you guys ever want to get your hair cut, then
Stop by at Salon L, yes.
Yes, I recommend him 100%. Look, guys, I love it. Okay, guys, I am out of the salon. I love it. Like, this is what I had wanted last time. Like, I really like it. The back is, you know, like, I look like a little mushroom, but it's like a good looking mushroom, you know? Usually when I've gone to other hair salon, like other hairstylists, I have to show them the picture. So I have to show them, this is what I want. And then, you know, they're like, okay, cool. You know, like that's all they say. What I really like about him is that I showed him what I want, and he literally pulled up his own computer that he has in his shop, and he was just showing me like a bunch of different hairstyles. Like, he was just showing like so that he could understand and get a better idea of what I want. And I really like that because it showed me that he was like committed to delivering what I actually want on me. He also gave me good tips. So it's like he saw the texture of my hair. That's another thing I really like. He saw the texture of my hair. So this side naturally goes in more, and this side it's like spiky and it's weird. Like, I've noticed it like that, and he noticed it too. So I'm like, okay, so you understand hair. You understand that my hair is kind of funky. And because he noticed that my hair on this side tends to like stick out like that, and this one just naturally goes in a nice, a nice little way, I don't know what he did, but basically he like made sure that this side would just not do that. So he paid attention to the way my hair is textured, the way my hair is built, and he also paid attention to how I wanted my hair to look. So I really liked that about him. He paid attention to close detail, and he also paid attention to, you know, he listened to me and he listened to what I wanted. And of course, he was also a very genuine and kind person. So because of that, you know, big shout out to him. I'm gonna link down below his Instagram so you guys can check out the, you know, the hairstyles that he's done, and also if he's in your area and you were like me where you want to cut your hair and you want to have it, you know, actually come out good, then definitely check his shop out. I'm just so glad that I don't have to like roast another hairstyle. Like, I didn't roast the last one in my last video, but I definitely complained. Like, I definitely was like, no. But I really liked it, so I'm glad I don't have to like cry on camera again and be like, this hairstylist sucks, because he doesn't. So I'm really glad I don't have to do that. I've already had this haircut for a week. It's not styled. My hair is naturally straight, which I'm grateful for. So if you haven't seen my last video where I actually cut my hair myself, my hair used to be all the way down to my butt. You can't tell, but my butt's pretty down there, so that's how long my hair was. So if you haven't seen that video, I recommend you watch it. I'll have that link down below, so you can go ahead and click on the link, see that video, and see why I made a part 2 of it. If you really like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel. On my channel, I post videos on the topic of beauty and entertainment. So if you're someone that likes DIY, skincare, makeup, I make videos on that topic, and I also make funny videos, goofy videos, things that'll make you laugh because I'm funny. So I make videos on both of those topics, so if any of that interests you guys, then I suggest you subscribe right now. Turn on my post notifications, come back every Wednesday, because usually I post every Wednesday. I know I said in the beginning of the video I was a little MIA, but usually I post every Wednesday, so you guys can always have something to watch every week. Alright, so bye!